Now it's time to download and install IntelliJ IDEA, but first you may be wondering what is an IDE. An IDE stands for an Integrated Development Environment, and you can think of IntelliJ IDEA as your coding wingmate. It's got your back with intelligent suggestions, auto-completions, and quick fixes, which are making the code smoother and is minimizing the mistakes. Another thing that you can do with IntelliJ IDEA is that you can navigate your code effortlessly with advanced tools that act like a GPS for your classes, methods, and files. So you can find what you need quickly and you can refactor the code with ease. Now, if you don't know what classes, methods, and files are, don't worry because we'll cover all of those in future videos. The next thing is that you can personalize your coding experience with IntelliJ IDEA's diverse range of plugins and extensions. It's like having a toolbox where you can add just the right tools for your coding needs. So let's download IntelliJ IDEA. So I'm going to open my browser. You should open your browser. In the search bar, I will type IntelliJ IDEA. I'll press enter. I'll go down here. I'll click on this link here. And I'll click on the top right hand side on download. And here you have the ultimate version for Windows. So if you have Mac OS or Linux, you should download the version which is particular to you. And the ultimate, IntelliJ Ultimate is paid, so you need to pay in order to use it. But luckily there is a free community edition that you can use, and it's enough for our purposes. So I'm going to click on download. Now the downloading is starting on the top right hand side, as you can see. Once the downloading is finished, just open this file. I'll close the browser. Now it's asking us if you allow this app to make changes to our device. Click on yes. Here I'm going to click on next. This is the folder location where IntelliJ IDEA is going to be installed. You can change this location, but I'm going to keep the default location. I'll click on next. And here we need to check this box to have a desktop shortcut. I'm going to click on next and I'm going to click on install. And as you can see on the left hand side, IntelliJ already appeared. Once the installation is finished, just check this, run IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition, and click on finish. Now it's asking us if you want to import the settings. So if you had the previous version of IntelliJ IDEA, you can import the settings here, but I'm going to check do not import settings and click on OK. Now IntelliJ is going to start. And this is the welcome window of IntelliJ IDEA. This is the place from which you're going to create all of our projects. And I want to focus on the left hand side on customize. And I'm going to go up here where it says color theme. I'm going to change this dark theme to a light theme, but you can keep the dark theme if you want. And in a separate video, I'll show you how to download more themes, not just the ones provided by IntelliJ here. So on the left hand side, I'll click again on projects. I'll click on this plus button to create a new project. I'm not going to create a new project, but we need to configure something, which is very important. And I want your focus to be here where it says JDK, and we have in angle brackets in red, no SDK. What JDK stands for is Java Development Kit, and SDK stands for Software Development Kit. They are the same thing. What this JDK, the Java Development Kit, does is it contains the tools that IntelliJ needs in order to be able to run our code. And to download the JDK, I'm going to click here, go here where it says download JDK, and the latest version when I record this video is 21, but I'm going to choose version 17 because this is the version which has long-term support. So it will receive bug fixes and updates for several years to come without you needing to switch to a new version whenever that version is released. So this is why you choose version 17. For the vendor, this is the company which provides a JDK. I'm going to keep the default Amazon Corretto, but you can choose another one if you want. And this is the location where the JDK is going to be installed. So I'm going to click on download. And now the JDK is going to be downloaded. It's going to be attached to the IntelliJ. Alright, now I have Corretto 17 and I have the JDK added here. Now I'm going to click on cancel because I'm not going to create a project in this video. I'm going to do that in the next video, and I'm going to end this video here and see you in the next video.